a person they campaigned together, they won together. They were in the ICC together. He knows what they went through. He would not wish that case to be revived or to be visited upon any person, let alone the Deputy President. Yeah.
But what is the implication of the surrender of this lawyer who has had a brush with the Deputy President and been accused of interfering with the witnesses?
How do you know he has a brush with the Deputy President? He was his lawyer. He has a warrant. There was a warrant out on his head. Maybe he just wants to go and clear himself. That is why he volunteered to go there and give his side of the story. He was alleged to have pushed witnesses. He was alleged to have been engaged in witness tampering. He is probably just going to clear the air with the ICC. I mean, if you have a warrant hanging over your head and you have an opportunity to go and clear your side of the story, I would take it myself. I doubt that there is any mischief or any intention to revive that matter.